If you are in India and thinking about using Kickbacks AI to earn from Cloud Code or Codex, there is one big problem that could stop you cold. Let me show you the full picture before you waste your time. Hello everyone, my name is Amit Kumar. This video will resolve all your queries about Kickbacks AI, and you will also learn about the more online methods which are the real competitors to Kickbacks AI. We are going to see how to use Claude and Codex for free, and this is going to be a very long video, so I would request you to use timestamp below to the jump to the part that is relevant to you and save your time. Let's talk about the Kickbacks AI. It is a VS Code extension that pays you when you use Cloud Code and the Codex, but the payout for general user is very low. According to my own analysis, I got maximum $2 a day while using like Cloud Code for 6 hours a day. The thing is, it will not make you rich, but it will surely help you some of your monthly bills, pay monthly bills. And if you use it heavily, you can realistically earn almost like $50 a month. According to my analysis, it can be different in your use case also. So if you like trying to get the $1, you can get it in like 3 to 4 hours, almost 3 to 4 hours more quickly if you heavily use the Cloud Code. Now let's see the issue. Indian users can't withdraw their earnings because the Kickbacks AI requires the Stripe account, and getting a Stripe account in India is very hard. So technically, even if you can earn, you can't withdraw it. The earning method effectively fails in India according to my analysis. There are some competitors as well like Uwait, Ideal Dev. Let me show you. Uwait, I, Ideal Dev. So these are the competitors to it, and there are many new coming up. So the one thing about the Ideal Dev which is good, it supports all the like coding like agent like open code and everyone like Gemini CLI, everything. And the U code is used when you use, let me show you, when you use like in web browser like Claude and open code, it shows this ad and through this you earn. So you can check out these also, but there is a bottleneck to this, which is that withdrawals only allowed through Stripe account, and you stuck there also, you can't withdraw their money. But don't worry, I have set up a website focused on India only. It's called the RupeON. So I have been working on it. It is called RupeON, and it is having every feature that Kickbacks AI, Uwait, and Ideal Dev have. And the good thing is we will be paying through UPI. As you can see that we will be paying through UPI, and it will be launching with your support. If you will like let me know in the comment, should we go ahead with it or not? Drop the comment either way. That will decide we will launch this website or not, because India should have chance, Indian people should have chance to earn money using the coding agent. So that's why I made this website, and if you will let me know in the comment, I will go with like I will launch this and we will work on it. Now let's get into the problem people are facing with the Kickbacks AI directly. If you have a Stripe account and want to use Kickbacks AI, or you are an international people like not from India, the next section is completely for you. Full video walkthrough, problem and fixes. And if you don't have Stripe account, feel free to skip the ahead of the RupeON section, because now you are done with it if you are Indian users. So if you have Stripe account, watch the video from here. We will see the full setup and we will see how to use Cloud Code completely free. Now go to your favorite browser and go to this URL to install the Cloud Code on your system. And you can use one of these command according to your environment. I'm using terminal, and run this command. It will install Cloud Code on your system. So I have already installed it, so I'm not gonna run this. So after running this command, open file manager, go to C, go to users, and go to your username. Mine is Amit Y, and there will be a .cloud directory in your like this place. And if there is no .cloud directory, you can run the Cloud one time going to terminal and write Cloud. Let me see. Okay, if you will run this command and then exit it, it will like create this Cloud directory. Then go to very bottom and open this settings.json file, not settings.local.json file. Open this. It can be empty in your case, and if this file does not exist, you can create one over here, settings.json file. And if this is empty in your case, it can be empty, just create these angular brackets, and let me show you. You need to paste this content in here, just remove the comma, and if there is some content in your like settings.json file, then go to very first after the angular bracket and paste the content given in the video description, and you are good to go. Go to your browser and go to OPENROUTER-API, create a API key, and first of all you need to create a account. Create a account and then click on the get API key. You can also go from here, profile, and then API keys, then create a API key, name it anything you like, and you can set the expiration 1 year 7 days, or you can leave it. I'm setting it 1 year, sorry, 1 hour. Okay, copy this and go to your settings.json file and change this open router API key with your API key, and you are good to go. You can change the models also. Let me show you. Click on this model option and go to prompt pricing, and make sure this slider is at very left so that we can see all the free models available. As you can see that we are using Hey3 model over here, and it is going to be like paid in after 21 July. So we need to change this after 21 July. So you can use any of these model. All you need to do is just copy the command like this, copy this copy button and paste it over here, like replace it with this one. So this is all you need to do if you want to replace one of the model. So now go to your terminal and open the Claude for very first time. So it will ask you to trust the folder, yes, and then you can choose the model by slash model. You can choose any of these model. So we will use Hey3 model for now, and let me go to the logs where I can show you we are using it. So as you can see that lastly I used it like at 5:38 p.m. Nematron 3 Ultra model. Now it is almost 8 p.m. So I will say hello. So as you can see that it is replied, and let me refresh the logs. So as you can see that at 7:59 p.m. Hey3 model was used, and this was the API key. So as you can see that the Claude code and open router setup is working. Now we need to work on the VS code. So you need to install the VS code if it is not installed on your system, and then go to the extensions option, and you need to install two extensions. First is the Claude code. Okay, you need to install this extension, Claude code for VS code by anthropic.com. Click on the install button. While it installs, we can go to Kickbacks AI, and we need to download the extension. So you need to make an account on it. If you are like first time user, you can create a account using your Google account. So we need to download the extension. We will copy this command until this vsix. So open a terminal. Let me go to the desktop. Okay, I'm going to open a terminal over here, and I will paste this command. And if you are on Mac OS and the Linux, then this command will work as it is. And if you are using PowerShell according as I am using, you need to add .exe after the curl, and it will download the extension. It will appear over here. As you can see that Kickbacks AI extension is downloaded. So before installing the Kickbacks AI extension, we need to test the like Claude Code extension is working with Open Router or not. Make sure you install this extension after doing the Claude Code and Open Router testing. So click on this Claude Code icon. It can appear here as well. So wait, if it will ask for login, you need to wait 2 or 3 seconds at least. So as you can see that it is already picked up our settings option, as we already set in the settings.json file. Now click on the new session, and it will show the login option over here. Just wait 2 or 3 seconds. As you can see that it is detected my open router settings. Now you can switch the model using switch model option. Now this time we will use Laguna M1 free model. And hello, how are you? So as you can see that it is consuming token, and it is replying also. So if we go to our open router logs, it will be like shown up there as well. So as you can see that we are using North Many code. Okay, so Yes, we are using it. This redacted thinking will come because we are using direct API of OpenRouter, which I think have some bugs. You can use a router also, which makes the OpenAI compatible. Cloud Code responses to OpenAI compatible, which is a next video topic. So we can use this like this. Now we go to the extension, click on these three dots and install from VSIX file, and go to the location where you downloaded the extension. We downloaded it at the desktop. Click on the Kickbacks AI extension, install it. So as you can see that completed installing extension. So the Kickback sign in option will be at the bottom right of VS Code. Click over here and click in the sign in to the Kickbacks AI. It will open it in your browser. Choose the email ID you created account with and click continue, and you are in. Go to the VS Code, there will be a pop-up. Okay, it is not coming. Okay, so you are signed in. Reload to start collecting money. We will reload everything. So as you can see that everything is reload. Click on the VS Code and sorry, in the Cloud Code option, just wait a little bit till the extension loads completely. Okay, click new session. Now we will use model, switch model. Okay, we will use hey3. Create a tic-tac-toe game with 10 themes in single HTML file, and now let's see it starts earning the money or not. So as you can see that our first ad is showing up, one API to enrich the web for agent. Let's see it generates the money or not. So as you can see that our like prompt has finished and it created a tic-tac-toe HTML file, but the money isn't increasing. Let me show you. If we go to the account, okay, it start increasing in the dashboard, but it is not showing up in the like over here. Let me give it another prompt. Okay, now we will create a snake game in single HTML file. So as you can see that our snake game is also ready, but money isn't increasing on this dashboard because it hasn't reached like a threshold. If we will refresh this, the money will increase. As you can see that once it comes over here, it will starting showing in here because it is showing in 2 decimal also. So let me show you the game for now. Okay, the hey3 created these two games. Let me open them. Okay, this is the game with different themes. You can check out yourself. Okay, so and this was the snake game. As you can see that you can try the hey3 model. And now let's talk about the issues and problems with these extensions. The common problem is extension not working or extension not downloading. So the downloading has been shown earlier. You need to download VSIX. Let me show you. You will use this command up till to download the extension, and then you will manually install in the extension section. Over here, install from VSIX. We have already shown you the extension not working, so you will click on the extension and you will try these options: restart extension now, restore cloud code, and reapply patch now. These three options will resolve your all problem. And if you're still facing any problem, sign out from Kickbacks and then relogin. It will also resolve your problems. Okay, so many people ask about how much time it will take to earn $1. So it takes like 3 to 4 hours, and it's totally depends on your usage. The one of the problem with the extension, it gives this message reload the window, and you need to do that because if you will not do that, it will not earn the money. It will not show ad in the cloud code. That's a bad thing of Kickbacks AI, and I face a lot during the usage of it. So many people are asking that can we use it on the Android phone? Complete no, you can't use on Android phone. Many people ask about how to use on OpenCode or Kiro. Currently it supports, you can check on their website. VS Code extension is fully supported, and if you use VS Code extension, through VS Code extension, you will be getting higher like ads, and you will be earning more than using the terminal CLI. And many people ask about, can we use in the Cloud Code desktop app? So a complete no to them also, because currently it supports the CLI and the VS Code extension only. So this is how you can set it up. You can use it freely, and if you are outside India, you can completely take out the money from Stripe. So this is all for this video. Make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.